Did you know that the highest city on Earth, La Paz in Bolivia, is actually higher than many mountain peaks? At 13,600 feet, it sits above the clouds and has some of the most breathtaking views. From the ground, it appears to spill up the sides of this incredible landscape, a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. Join us as we explore the breathtaking beauty and unique challenges of life above the clouds. Imagine a city perched higher than the clouds, where the air is thin and the views are simply breathtaking. That is La Paz, Bolivia, the highest capital city in the world. Life here is different, shaped by the challenges and wonders of high altitude. The reduced oxygen levels create a unique environment that demands adaptation from both its human inhabitants and the resilient wildlife that shares these heights. The city's full name, Nuestra Señora de la Paz, translates to Our Lady of Peace. Founded by Spanish conquistadors, La Paz was initially a vital link in the silver trade route. Today, the city's colonial past is still visible in its architecture, its traditions, and the spirit of its people. As you wander through the city's vibrant markets and plazas, you can't help but feel a sense of peace, a connection to something larger than yourself. In a fascinating twist of history, La Paz shares its destiny with another city. While La Paz serves as the administrative capital, housing the executive and legislative branches of government, the title of constitutional capital belongs to Sucre. Sucre, with its grand colonial architecture and rich historical significance, represents the nation's heritage. La Paz, on the other hand, pulses with the energy of a modern metropolis. Together, these two cities embody the heart and soul of Bolivia, showcasing the nation's rich tapestry of history, culture, and progress. La Paz is a city sculpted by nature's hand. Nestled within a deep canyon carved by the Choqueyapu River over millennia, the city's topography is as breathtaking as it is unique. Buildings cling to the hillsides, streets wind their way up and down the slopes, and the city unfolds before you like a breathtaking, three-dimensional tapestry. From the highest peaks to the depths of the canyon, La Paz stands as a testament to the raw beauty and untamed spirit of the Andes. Reaching La Paz is an adventure in itself. El Alto International Airport, serving as the gateway to this high-altitude metropolis, is one of the highest airports globally. As your plane descends through the thin air, the sprawling cityscape of La Paz unfolds beneath you, nestled within its breathtaking canyon. The airport itself, a bustling hub of activity, serves as a reminder of the challenges and triumphs of aviation in such extreme conditions. From the moment you step off the plane, you are greeted by the invigorating thin air, a reminder that you are entering a world unlike any other. Stepping onto the streets of La Paz for the first time, you're likely to feel a little different. The air, much thinner than at sea level, has less oxygen. This can lead to altitude sickness, known locally as soroche. Locals have adapted to life at this altitude over generations. It's a testament to human resilience, a reminder that we are capable of adapting to even the most extreme environments. Dominating the skyline of La Paz is the majestic Illimani Mountain, a breathtaking natural landmark that has captivated the hearts and minds of the city's inhabitants for centuries. Standing at a staggering 6,438 meters, or 21,122 feet, Illimani is not just a mountain, it's a symbol of the city's strength, resilience, and enduring connection to the natural world. For the indigenous Aymara people, Illimani is considered sacred, a deity that watches over the city and its people. Imagine teeing off with the clouds at your feet and the majestic Andes Mountains as your backdrop. This is the surreal experience that awaits golfers at the La Paz Golf Club, home to the world's highest golf course. The thin air at this altitude allows for incredibly long drives, with golf balls traveling farther than they ever could at sea level. It's a true test of skill, endurance, and a love for the game. Soaring above the rooftops of La Paz is Mi Teleférico, the world's longest and highest urban cable car system. More than just a mode of transportation, Mi Teleférico has become an iconic symbol of the city's innovation and its ability to overcome geographical challenges. This engineering marvel, spanning over 30 kilometers, or 19 miles, and connecting the city center to the sprawling El Alto district, offers breathtaking panoramic views of La Paz and its dramatic surroundings. As you glide silently through the air, the city unfolds beneath you in all its vibrant chaos and beauty. Mi Teleférico is a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the people of La Paz, a symbol of their ability to connect, to progress, and to soar to new heights. Don't let the tranquil scenery fool you. La Paz is a city at work. It generates about 24% of Bolivia's gross domestic product, highlighting its economic significance as a driving force behind the nation's progress. From its bustling markets to its growing industries, La Paz is a hub of commerce and trade, attracting entrepreneurs and businesses from across Bolivia and beyond. The city's unique location and its resilient spirit have fostered a diverse economy, ranging from traditional textiles and handicrafts to modern technology and tourism. La Paz, Bolivia, is not just the highest city on Earth. It's a testament to human resilience and the beauty of nature. From its breathtaking landscapes to its vibrant culture and its indomitable spirit, La Paz leaves an unforgettable mark on all who visit. If you enjoyed this exploration of Earth's most extreme city, be sure to check out our other videos on unique places around the world and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Head out on your next adventure. The journey never ends.